A petition was filed before the High Court contending that Sunburn organizers have started the EDM without paying the rent to the Comunidad of Anjuna, hence they have violated the condition of the NOC. The NOC was granted by the Comunidad on the condition that the organizers will pay the rent amount in advance. But the organizers have failed to deposit the rent amount before starting the event on 28th December. In view of the seriousness of this matter, the vacation bench of the High Court took up this matter, and during the hearing, the organizer company contended that it has deposited the DD of 2.43 crore rupees before the administrator of Comunidad. Justifying the delay, the respondent organizer company contended that the Comunidad had not given any exact amount as a rent, hence they did not pay the amount in advance. The company also contended that initially they had deposited a check of that amount, but the administrator did not accept the check and they asked for DD. Noting the statement of the respondent organizer company, the High Court has now disposed of that petition.
Contention of the petitioner is that the amounts were not deposited which were due to the Comunidad. And they were, that's why I'm moving a petition that Sunburn should be evicted from the place. Alternate prayer was that they should deposit the amounts. Now we've placed an affidavit before the court and told the court showed how we have already deposited these amounts today. How we had earlier issued checks, but checks were not accepted. We were told to issue demand drafts. So that was the issue. See, what happened is we had applied somewhere around 17th of February for permissions, and they came to be approved, I think, only about by 10 December. Formal communication to us was never made. So we did not know exact amounts. Once the administrator of Comunidad told us the amounts on somewhere around of 26th December, immediately the next day we issued checks which were not accepted. So we kept those checks as security, and today we've produced the demand drafts. So there is nothing more that survives in the petition. So the petition was dismissed by the...
So entire demanded amount has been paid by the...
Absolutely. The amount of 2 crore 43 lakhs owed to the Comunidad, which will stay with the administrator of Comunidad due to the Supreme Court's order. The dirham that is paid to the administrator of Comunidad of 48 lakhs odd, and the amount that goes to the director of civil administration of about 12 lakhs along with a 15% security deposit. So all that amounts have been deposited. Those demand drafts have been annexed to our affidavit and we filed with them.
Is there any issue pending regarding the rent per square meter is charged?
That is subject matter of SLP, which is filed in Supreme Court, that challenged a previous order passed by this High Court. That that is the petition where this entire issue is whether the government can moderate these rates or not is before the Supreme Court.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.